this is Total Mayhem, and today we're going to be joined by Daz0495 and DKX Snipes. So what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a race, and it's going to be a good race, and we're going to like kick some ass in it. So alright. I'm sorted, mate, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start now. So let's get ready. Let's get ready. So today we're gonna do some fucking races, guys. I know it's kind of annoying. So, what we're gonna do, guys? And now let's go and do some racing, guys. Ah, fuck, why is everyone invisible? Shit. Oh, fuck. Go faster. You're not going to overtake me, Jamie. Okay, maybe you are. I'm not going to come last, I'm telling you that now. I know you are. I'm going to come first or second, but not last. You fucking sexy banshee, don't chat. Peggy Banshee, fucking that's guy's name ever. Hello, my name's Peggy Banshee. Oh, would you look at that? Hi, Peggy. Well, hello there, my name's Peggy Banshee and I like to run with the pass. What the fuck? My god, just put fucking... it's pissing me off now. I'm gonna fucking ram up someone's ass in a minute. No, my camera, it's done my head and it's all fucking... I'm gonna ram up someone's ass. No, I'm gonna ram it up someone's ass. Ram it up like... Oh, I'm not fucking pedo, mate. At least I don't get a stiffy off of someone off of Red Dead Redemption. You do. You did. You were like Jess off of Red Dead Redemption or something. Bonnie or something. Do you know the one that saves not Michael, fucking hell, do you know what I mean? The one that saves him. No, I mean John Marston. What, he got a fucking scar? He's got scars. Mr. Marston! Ooh! What a gay bastard! Oh, hello there, laddie. Today we're going to do something very fun. It's going to be so fucking fun. I don't think I've got enough storage for a fucking video to last. So, guys, if the video stops, my apologies because I ain't got enough storage for it. And guys, so please make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, right in the middle of the video, I just thought I'd say it because it'd make more sense. Like a million. I could actually catch up to you, but it's staring, it's fucking shit. Damn, I'm in front. You should have put a GT. You should have done one of those GTA races. How many laps is there, may I ask? I would laugh if you put on 99. Oh, not 4. 2's are the best. 2's a decent one. So he's making Gemma a cup of tea. Is that normal? Is that normal? Finish line! Woo, motherfucker! Haha, well I got there before you. Oh yeah, you're starting souls. Brad, what are you doing? You're stuck. Oh wow. So we're just gonna wait now for him to drive or something. Cause he lost. There we go. He's moving! Woohoo! There's no point doing him if I'm honest, because he's not with me. Woo! Oh, we're there. So today, guys, I hope you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye!